In this video, you'll see how to move a service from one gateway to another using the Graphman client. We'll also make some quick changes as we do the migration. Okay, so hopefully you have everything set up from the Get Started video. Now we can look at migrating a single service from one environment to another. As you can see, we'll be using the export command, and in particular the web API and full options. This makes sure we get the individual service along with all its dependencies. We run the export command here and set the resolution path as the resolution path of the service we want to export, and we use the output option to put our bundle into this JSON file. We can see the bundle file has been created, and in here we can see not only the service but the dependencies like the JDBC connection. Next, we can run the explode command as we did in the Get Started video, and here you'll see it creates our repo. In our repo we can see the JDBC items, and if we want to we can change one of these so that it's going to get represented differently on the target service. Next, we'll use the implode command to take that configuration repo and put it into a new file. Here we can see the new getDate.json file, and the data in it represents our changes. So before we do the import, let's look at our target gateway. Here you can see I've got no services other than the Graphman service itself, and if I open up the JDBC connections, you'll see there are no JDBC connections here either. If I go back and run the import command using the new getDate.json bundle, hit return, that will import that into the target gateway. If I go back to Policy Manager and refresh, you'll be able to see not only the service that I imported and the folder it's in, but the JDBC connection has been created as well. As you can see, the JDBC connection represents the changes that we made before we did the implode and import. So we've moved the service from one environment to the other using the Graphman client. Hope that helps. Goodbye.